In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the top 5 reliable ways to reset your Android phone when locked. Part 1. How to reset Android phone without password by Android Unlock. Android Unlock is a surprisingly powerful Android Unlock software to unlock the Android phone lock screen whenever you forget the password on your Android lock screen. Step 1. Launch Android Unlock on your computer after installation. Choose Remove Screen Lock from the toolbox and connect your locked Android phone to your computer with a USB cable. Step 2. Select your device mode from the list. Click Start to Unlock to move on, and follow the on-screen instructions to enter the download mode. After that, the program will automatically install a recovery package to your locked Android phone. Step 3. When the recover package downloading process is complete, tap Remove Now on this program to reset the locked Android phone. Part 2. How to factory reset Android without password manually. A factory reset can restore the locked Android phone to the factory status, but it will also erase all device settings, data, and user apps on your phone. The steps to factory reset or hard reset Android phones differ with different Android brands. Here we will explain how to factory reset a locked Samsung phone. Press and hold the power plus home plus volume up keys at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Then, press the volume down key to locate wipe data or factory reset. Select yes with the volume keys and press the volume down key to delete the phone data. Once done, the phone will start to reboot. Part 3. How to wipe a locked Android phone with Google's Find My Device. By signing into Find My Device on your other devices and setting up your phone, you can wipe a locked Android phone. However, you can only use this way when you have enabled the Find My Device feature on your Android phone before locked. Step 1. Visit the Find My Device official website on your computer and sign in with the Google account you used on the locked Android device. Step 2. Select the Android phone you need to wipe. Click Set Up Secure and Erase. Step 3. Click Erase Device and the data on your phone will be permanently deleted. Part 4. How to reset a locked phone via Forgot Pattern Android 4.4 and lower versions. Step 1. Input the wrong password from the lock screen more than 5 times until you see the Forgot Pattern at the bottom of the lock screen. Step 2. Click Forgot Pattern and enter a backup PIN and your Google account in the relevant blanks. Then, tap Sign In. Step 3. Go to the Screen Unlock settings to set a new lock screen passcode. Note: this way requires an internet connection. If your Android phone has not connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data before it gets locked, you cannot sign in with your Google account. Part 5. How to reset phone without password by emergency call Android 5.0 to 5.1.1. Step 1. Tap the emergency call option at the bottom of the lock screen and input 10 asterisks in the dialer interface. Step 2. Double-click the field to highlight the entered text. Choose Copy and paste the copied text into the same field. Step 3. Then, repeat, double-clicking and pasting until double-tapping does not highlight the characters. Step 4. Return to the lock screen, open the camera shortcut, and pull down the notification bar. Step 5. Then, press the settings icon, long press the input field and hit paste. Keep copying and pasting the same characters to this field until the lock screen crashes. After that, you will be able to access your phone.